Hello and welcome. I got a Tarchi twin cassette stereo radio recorder. It came to me working. It had a couple of faults with it. One main factor fault was that the left hand side speaker was very low in volume. That's like a subwoofer 3D effect. That's what it says on the front of the cabinet. Anyway, using a trace, basically it was two little capacitors, which was that one there and that one here. The larger capacitor is 6.3 volts at 470 microfarads, and that one was 10 volts, 2200 microfarads. And what was happening is the way the signal was coming from the amplifier. It's a stereo amplifier. It was coming from there, hitting this capacitor, and then coming out of it on the ground side. So anyway, basically what I did, I used my trusted scoop, read on the right hand side sound, follow the frequency back to the through the caps and whatever to the chip, and then did the same on this side for the left hand side. And lo and behold, there was nothing coming from this side. There's nothing going to the jack socket either. So put two together. I followed it through and found there's two caps. So I replaced those. There's a couple of dry joints, but not too bad. It's a new board, mid-80s. And then the other faults are, this is partly cleaned. I still got a little bit more bits of crap there and whatever. And what this looked like before was like this. Shitted up everywhere. Pardon my French. Put it this way, this side, so far, it's taken me half hour or so, cotton balls, a bit of cleaning, and this is going to be the same. Clean it all off, it's clean it all, yuck, all crap. And the belts need doing, as you can see, a little bit after 20 odd years spinning around. I think I would be replacing as well. But anyway, yeah, this is one of them. What it is, I got a couple. I got a Sanyo, which is down here, and then I got some Toshibas, one there, one there. So see what they're like in a bit. But yeah, this is my little shed, my little place to be. Just pottering around, little hobby I'll do. There's all my bits and pieces. There's all my spare components up there. There's all sorts. But yeah. Oh, a new drill. Ah, yeah. I had to get myself a new cordless drill. It's got a LED. You can see where you're drilling. Yeah. But yeah. There's all sorts of meters over there. Big shout to Michael in South Africa, M-Tron. There's that meter he was on about. This is exactly the same meter I got. And then I got this meter here, which is basically it's more efficiency in resistance than the other one, and diode test. Also, the other one doesn't have hold. So the other one doesn't have hold or backlight. That there, okay, in there is a little sensor. Basically, it's just a neon, and when you find mains, it lights up. So, yeah, but without this gadget, I want to found the capacitor. It's a must-have. You must have at least a oscilloscope on the bench. I've got myself an amplifier down here. You see it? You could think of. It's just a power amplifier. Inputs on it.
Tipped the rubbish because while he was on his way to the tip, he'd seen a mouse in the bags. He later apologised for the offence. News on.
It's there for if I get any tape decks, which I have got. Down here, there's one down there. And that's waiting for a motor. That's a NAD. That's it in the front panel. That's the front panel of it. I'm covering up the, excuse me, I'm covering up the, there you go. It's waiting for a motor, a servo motor. But yeah, tools wise, different screwdrivers, I've got spanners and all sorts. Knees up here, I've got little screws, whatever, fuses, glue, loads of types of glue, oil up there, and I've got this little kit which is a D-Walt. It's all got screw head bits and whatever. And then I got the it's a dual tool kit with all the security type screws, different torques and whatever. That was my previous drill, but it's died. And it lasted, well, what do you expect? Pay for it was only 30 quid. But I know I should have went for a Bosch. But there you go. Yeah, usual stuff. Yes, that is a pink TV up there. That's got AV fault on it. There's no picture, no sound, but the screen lights up. And I think it's the main processor, the jungle chip that we usually used to call them in the old days. That one there is a NOR, and that works. And it's got a DVD player on it. This one here is a cello. That's not very well at all. I've rebuilt the power supply, managed to get it to come out standby, but there's no screen or no sound. But that needs to be checked. What's this? Oh yeah, and I got this Technica, which is little 17-inch Technica. That does work. It comes on. It's got a little slight intermittent fault. It tends to change channel by itself. So that's sounds like a capacitor problem, maybe, or some sort. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, hopefully I should get all this gunge out, loads of gunge, and then get it working fully. See what happens. Yeah, I'll turn it on now. I should get some sound. So as you can see, well here as well, the radio's fine. I mean it works to a T, but you put a bit of pressure on there, look, it tends to stick. Play works, pinch roller, it's fine. It just needs tidying up, you know. You put pressure on it, it tends to warp a bit. Right, that's it. I shall leave you, and thanks for watching.